Right now, there are two major parties who are running for the Philippine elections. That's happening on May 9, 2022. One is the party of Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. He is the son of former dictator Ferdinand Marcos, and his running mate is Sara Duterte. She is the daughter of the current president, Rodrigo Duterte. And the other party, the opposition, is composed of Leni Robredo, and her running mate, she's currently the vice president of the Philippines, and her running mate is Kiko Pangilinan. This coming Philippine elections is very crucial for the Filipino people because if Bongbong Marcos wins, then it would be very hard for the lives of the Filipino people. I mean, the Marcoses are known to have stolen ill-gotten wealth, billions of ill-gotten wealth from the people, and they have not even faced and have been accountable for the charges against them, including the various human rights violations that happened during the dictatorship of Ferdinand Marcos Sr. During the time of President Duterte, we have documented various human rights violations, including extrajudicial killings of human rights workers, of dissenters, including also trumped-up charges, basically to anyone who criticizes the Philippine government, the policies of the Philippine government. We also documented community violations like encampment of the military in the communities, bombing of communities, and of course there's this red tagging of activists in the Philippines who are being tagged as communist or terrorist by the authorities. But also we have this drug war, which killed thousands of poor Filipinos, especially in the urban centers. And that is why President Duterte is also being charged before the ICC of Crimes Against Humanity. Filipinos have a long history of resistance. I mean, we've toppled a dictator, we've toppled corrupt politicians, and I'm sure we can do it again. We know how to resist and fight back and stand up for our rights.